GoDaddy is a domain registrar with over 1 million customers in India, high brand awareness, 24/7 local customer support, and a 40% market share of all .in domains sold in India. On the other hand, Hostinger is a very popular hosting provider known for affordable pricing, localized services including a local server in Mumbai, ease of use, good performance, comprehensive features, and high quality hosting options. In this video, I will show you the process of connecting your domain name directly from GoDaddy to Hostinger. So are you ready? Let's go! There are 3 different ways in which you can connect your domain name to your Hostinger hosting server. We saw the first option in the previous video where we connected your domain name purchased on GoDaddy to your Hostinger hosting server via Cloudflare DNS. In this video, let's go through the second option where I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain name to your Hostinger server directly. Now, to do this, you have to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to purchase a domain name on GoDaddy. The second step is to purchase your hosting on Hostinger. And the third step is where we connect your domain name from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Now, we have completed the step 1 and step 2 in the previous videos, and I will leave a link to these videos in the description. So let's move forward with the third step where we connect your domain name to your Hostinger hosting. Now, before we move forward, please make sure that you have your GoDaddy domain name registered and active. You have your Hostinger hosting plan purchased and live. Please keep your login credentials for both of these platforms ready so that we can move forward. So the step 1 is to add your website to Hostinger. And to do that, you have to log in into your Hostinger hPanel, which is the Hostinger dashboard. You have to select your hosting plan, add a website by clicking a button that is provided there, and then you have to input your GoDaddy domain and move forward. Now let's do this. You can visit Hostinger using my referral link provided in this presentation. When you click on this link to visit Hostinger, you will get 20% additional discount on top of whatever discount that Hostinger is giving at that time. So this is my referral link and you can use it to get a 20% additional discount. So let's go and click on this link and move forward. Go to www.hostinger.in. Go to top right corner and click on My Account. After you log in into your account, you will be taken to the Hostinger dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, click Websites. You will be taken to a page where you can see a list of all the websites that you have connected to Hostinger. Click on Add Website button. You will see a drop-down menu with different options. Please select WordPress. You will be asked to create login credentials for your WordPress website. Enter an email ID that you would like to use as your login email. And also make sure that you select a password that is secure. It should meet all the security requirements mentioned under. And you should also be able to remember it easily so that you are able to log in the future. After entering your email ID and password, please make sure that you note down the password as you would require this email ID and password in the future to log in into your website's WordPress dashboard. Now, after finishing this, please click Next. On the next page, you would be given 3 options using which you can build your website. The first option is the Hostinger AI Builder, which helps build your website using AI. The second option is building your website using pre-built themes and websites. The third option is creating a website from a blank site. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select Create Blank Site. Now, you would be asked to enter the domain name that you would want to connect to your website hosted on Hostinger. Now, I purchased a domain name startupswissknife.in through GoDaddy. I would want to use that domain name with my website on Hostinger hosting. So I will enter that here. You can choose your own domain name and continue. Enter your domain name here. Now, as soon as you start typing your domain name, Hostinger will also start searching if this domain name is already purchased or is it available. Hostinger will also look for any variations of that particular domain name like .co.in, .net, .tech. If those variations are available, Hostinger will show you an option to purchase those options also. But in case you have already purchased that particular domain name, you would have an option which says, do you own this domain name? And if yes, you have to select that particular option. Since in my case, I already own this domain name on GoDaddy, so I will select this option. After selecting your domain name, click on Install WordPress. Now WordPress will start installing on your website, and the complete process might take around a few minutes. You can see the progress here shown in terms of percentage. It will start from 0% and reach 100% once the installation is complete. Once the WordPress installation is complete, you would be taken to the dashboard of your WordPress website. Here you can see on the top left corner, a temporary domain name is assigned to this website. This temporary domain name will be replaced by my domain name startupswissknife.in once we connect it from GoDaddy to Hostinger. So for now, we will have this temporary domain name here. Now that you have connected your domain name to your Hostinger dashboard, the next step is to look for Hostinger name servers. We have to find the Hostinger name servers and copy them for the next step. So let me show you how to do that. Click on the Manage button on the dashboard. After clicking on the Manage button, you would be taken to the dashboard for this website on Hostinger. From the menu on the left-hand side, click Hosting Plan. Click on Plan Details. After clicking on Plan Details, we will land on this page where we can see a lot of information related to this website. We can see the website domain name, the server IP, even hosting related details. Here on the right hand side, you can also see the details of the name servers of this website. On the top, you can see the two name servers, which are the current name servers on GoDaddy. And under them, you can see the name servers that Hostinger has provided. Now we have to go to GoDaddy and replace the existing name servers with these name servers at the bottom, which are provided by Hostinger. So let's do that. Now that you know where to find the name servers on your Hostinger dashboard, the next step is to go to GoDaddy and update these name servers on GoDaddy. To do that, you have to log in into your GoDaddy account. You have to go to the DNS section mentioned in front of this domain name that you want to connect to Hostinger, and then you have to update the name servers. Let's do that. Now, in a separate browser, open GoDaddy website, sign in into your account, and once you are already signed in, from the top right corner, click on this drop down. Click on My Products. You will land on a page containing all your products. Click on this arrow at the bottom so that we can see a list of all the domain names that we have. From here, you can choose the domain name that you want to connect to your Hostinger hosting. For me, I want to connect this particular domain name. Click on the DNS button in front of the domain name that you want to connect. You will land on the DNS management page of the domain name. Click on Name Server and navigate to the Name Server section. Here you can see a list of existing name servers. Now we have to replace these name servers with the ones that are provided by Hostinger. Click on Change Name Servers button. Now select I will use my own name servers. Now you can see two empty fields where you have to enter the name servers provided by Hostinger. Now to copy your name servers, go back to your Hostinger dashboard. Copy the first name server. Go back to GoDaddy. Click on the field to enter name server 1. Paste the first name server. Go back to Hostinger and copy the second name server. Paste the second name server on GoDaddy. Click Save. Confirm that you want to continue. Now after clicking continue, it might take some time for the name servers to be updated. So let's try and refresh this page. For that, let's click on DNS records. Now click on the name server tab. You can see that the name servers have been updated and the new name servers provided by Hostinger are now visible here. Just in case your updated name servers are not yet visible, just come back after some time, refresh the page, and you will see the updated name servers. Now that you have updated the name servers on GoDaddy, you have to be patient. Sometimes the changes take around 24 to 48 hours to update. So don't worry, wait for some time and then you can go back to your Hostinger dashboard to check if the updated name servers are showing there and if your website is live or not. So after waiting for some time, you can return to your Hostinger dashboard to verify if the name servers are updated and if your website is live. Now to do that, let's visit our Hostinger dashboard again and verify. Now let's get back to the Hostinger dashboard. We can see here that still the old name servers are visible under current name server, which means that we still need to wait for some more time. Now remember that it might take from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours for the name servers to be updated, so don't worry. Let's come back here after some time. Now I have come back after 15 minutes and I can see that the name servers have been updated. As you can see, the current name server 1 and current name server 2 are the same that Hostinger has provided us. Now we can see a small exclamation mark in front of both the name servers. This means that although the name servers have been updated, there is still some technical process in the backend that is still going on, which might be completed in the next few minutes. So that's not a worry. Now, as soon as those pending processes are completed in the backend, our website would be visible to the world. So let's quickly go to Overview and switch on the maintenance mode so that people who enter our domain name will see a page which says that this website is under construction and will be available soon. Now click on Overview in the left-hand side menu. You will land on the dashboard of your website. From here, let's click on WordPress admin. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard and see if the dummy domain name is now replaced by the domain name that we have connected. So let's do that. We are back on the WordPress dashboard. You can see that the domain is now connected. You can also see that the dummy domain name is now replaced by the domain name that we connected to Hostinger. In my case, it was startupswissknife.in. So as our domain name is now visible here on the WordPress dashboard, it means that the process of connecting the domain name that we bought on GoDaddy to the Hostinger hosting is now complete. So now you know how to connect your domain name from GoDaddy to Hostinger directly. If you were not able to follow along with this video, don't worry. You can find the link to this presentation and the step-by-step guide in the description section of this video. You can use the link to go through the slides and complete the process at your own pace. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and leave a comment on this video. Please also subscribe to my channel. In the upcoming video, I will show you the process of purchasing your domain name directly on Hostinger and then connecting it to your Hostinger hosting. So I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.